Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to my deep guide. Today's video is a little bit of a different one and it's going to be a short one. It's just something that I really want to share with you and to ask a small favor for those who are inclined to do so. I don't know if some of you know, but this is not my main line of work. This is a side thing. My main line of work is that I'm an app developer and I develop video games via my company Dwarf Cavern AS. Last year I developed and launched the Solar Explorer New Dawn, which was my first fully independent app developed completely by myself. I released it on iOS and the Android platforms and it worked really good. I was very happy how it worked and with the response from people. Fast forward to now, where I am incredibly happy and proud to announce that that little game that I made, Solar Explorer New Dawn, has officially become one of 5 nominees on the 25th annual Webby Awards this year. Solar Explorer New Dawn is nominated in the category Independent Creator, and for me it's a huge deal already, this nomination, because the game was picked as one of 5 best out of 13,500 submissions that were done this year in that category alone. So yeah, I'm completely mind blown by this. It's a really cool thing to see. That's the part that I really wanted to share with you because I'm happy about that. Now here comes the favor for those who are inclined to help and who want to help out a little. Webby Awards has 2 categories. You have the jury and then you have the public vote as well. So what I'm going to submit in the description down below is the link to the Webby Awards voting category, where if you want you can go and vote for Solar Explorer New Dawn, and also share with people who are interested in games and share it with as many people that you can so that we gather up a lot of votes, because why not? I mean, the game is really good. I'm proud of it. I'm happy how I did it. I'm super happy that it's nominated. It has a chance to win, so why not maybe try and see if we can even win? I would be very grateful if you would consider doing that. If you don't wanna, that's totally okay as well. I'm just happy that you're here and that I was able to share this nice news with you. So if you want to do it, just go down to the link below, get into the Webby voting thingy and vote for Solar Explorer New Dawn video game, and then share and tell to as many people as you want or care to do, so that, yeah, maybe we can push Solar Explorer to go to #1. Thank you so much for the support and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye!